Today, we are making an incredibly delicious butter-crisped tuna toast in a pan. Drain the tuna and place it in a bowl. Add 150 grams of Russian or Italian salad and 1/3 bunch of finely chopped dill. Mix well and set aside. Slice 1 medium red onion. In a pan, heat some oil and sauté the onions until softened. Once the onions are cooked, add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 100 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Stir and let it cook until the onions become caramelized. Remove from heat and set aside. In the same pan, add butter and allow it to melt. Toast the bread slices on both sides until golden brown. To enhance the flavor, rub a garlic clove on the bread while toasting. Once the bread is toasted, spread the tuna mixture onto the bread slices. Add the caramelized onions and red bell pepper slices on top. Grate grana padano, or Parmesan cheese, over the filling. Final touch, spread Dijon mustard on the top of the bread slices and serve immediately. Enjoy this mouthwatering, crispy, and savory delight.